Sri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 76, English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. नभे कर्मना धर्मना योग काही नभे भोगना त्यागना सांग पाही म्हणे दास विश्वास नामी धरावा प्रभाते मनी राम चिंतित जावा. Not able to complete the actions, duties, penance, withstand the sufferings from past karma sacrifices? Hear from this devoted servant of Lord Rama, keep faith in his name and awaken your mind to Rama's name early morning every day. Some keywords used in this shloka are nave means neither, karma means actions, dharma is religious practices or duties, nave means neither, bhoga means suffering as a result of past karma or it also means pleasure, tyaga means sacrifice. Dasa means devotee. Vishwas means faith. In this world, nobody is perfect. We cannot complete everything all the time in all respects. We may be able to complete a few things in all the respect sometimes. It will be supernatural to expect anyone to be at 100% level in everything they do throughout their life. Just think about it. Have you found anyone who is committed to doing their karma, which is actions, with total dedication and with unwavering attention every single time? Some may be close, but not there completely. Most of us try our best though. Most of the time, we expect the results of our actions and that too immediately. The delayed gratification has become mostly a thing of the past. Now we cannot wait, which is an impact of the fast pace of the world we live in. We cannot focus on something even for a few minutes before we get distracted by our best friend who is always with us, the dreaded mobile phone. Doing the karma without expecting fruits of it is what we all understand as the teaching from Bhagavad Gita. But in practice, it is extremely hard to follow. How about dharma, which is religious practices and duties? In order to follow it, we first need to really understand our duties. Many of us will not be even able to tell the accurate job description for the work we do. If we cannot understand what exact duties are expected from us, how can we expect to perform those to the desired accuracy? And here we are talking about the duties from the perspective of religion, society, family, and friends, wherein we are playing multiple roles at the same time when we see our relationship with every other person or thing in the nature we come across. Are we even able to follow yoga? Means being in unity with God, nature, and other human beings. Many understand the meaning of yoga as if it is the reference to yogasana, which is focused on the bodily exercises for flexibility and strength. Yoga, if we look at the way Patanjali described it with Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 limbs of yoga, it is vast and complex. They involve the yama, which are 5 don'ts, niyama, which are the 5 do's, asana, which is meditation posture, which is steady and comfortable, pranayam, which is the breathing exercises, pratyahar, which is withdrawal from the sensory world, dharana, means focus or concentration, dhyana means contemplation or reflection, and samadhi, which means uniting with, oneness with the subject of meditation. Achieving all of these is very hard for a common man. Even if we consider yoga as having unity with God or nature or the subject of meditation, it is rarely achievable in its true sense. We do experience the true unity on the occasions where we forget ourselves completely. Examples might be watching the last critical over of a cricket match with a nail biting finish, or sitting in a movie theater watching the climax of an engrossing movie, or listening to a masterpiece of classical music from a renowned singer or musician, or getting totally lost in our own thoughts, so much so that when someone nearby literally has to grab our shoulders to get attention, and then we are like, did you say something to me? Can you repeat? I was totally distracted. Bhoga can mean sensual pleasures for the body, and it can also mean going through the sufferings we come across as a result of our past karma, mainly bad karma. We can neither get true pleasures nor go through those sufferings completely. Same is true with Tyaga. Lord Rama had to spend 14 years of Vanavas by leaving behind all of the pleasures of being a king of Ayodhya, which he did with ease and being completely true to it. Most of us even find it hard spending 14 days of quarantine in these days of the pandemic. Forget 14 years. Effectively, there is nothing which we can do completely with full justice to it. But there is no need to worry. There is one easier way, that of believing and keeping full faith in the name of God, Lord Rama. Whether we listen to devotion songs or shlokas or mantras, or we ourselves recite them, or listen to the explanations by gurus, or write the name of God 1,000 times in a book, it will help us in filling up all those gaps. When we recite the name of God or write it, it actually increases our attention and capability to focus. That in turn helps in improving everything else we do. It is relatively easy to be united with God in this way. And the best time to do that is in the early morning time every day when we are fresh and there are fewer distractions. This is the message Samartha Ramdas Swami is giving in the last 10 shlokas. नभे कर्म ना धर्म ना योग काही नभे भोग ना त्याग ना सांग पाही म्हणे दास विश्वास नामी धरावा प्रभाते मनी राम चिंतित जावा. Join me in the humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian culture and literature to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha.